So first of all, INDIAWOOD holds a very special place in my professional journey in India. I've visited INDIAWOOD for the first time in 2012 when I was still exploring what to do. Coming from a financial background, I had zero idea about the furniture industry, about the woodworking industry. And in 2012, INDIAWOOD offered me the glimpse of what the future holds in terms of the furniture. Furniture in general is being considered less glamorous, not technologically intensive. But when we get into the details, when we get into the nitty-gritty of it, we realize that it's no different than any other engineered product. And I am really thankful to INDIAWOOD for offering that platform, to offering me the opportunity to understand what was available globally even way back in 2012. And basis that, we introduced flat lamination technology, and we introduced a host of products which were the first of its kind in India. So I still owe a lot of heartfelt gratitude to INDIAWOOD for opening, and for providing me this opportunity. And it's good to know that INDIAWOOD is completing 25 years. So my best wishes for completing this 25 years, and my wishes for completing or for preparing for the next 25 years. This show, the current edition 2024, has been phenomenal. All 5 halls are booked. We have a host of visitors. It's been busy. And in general, the team Nuremberg Messe has been very, very helpful and very, very proactive in making this show a very successful show. Thank you.